Hi and welcome to AfriHost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to access your AfriHost Pure Mail via webmail. Open your internet browser and navigate to webmail.yourdomain. For example, webmail.afrivideos.co.za. Enter your email address that you want to use as your username and the password for that email address. Switch on the Remember Username toggle button if you want the browser to remember your username the next time you log in. Select the green arrow button to log in. To log out, select the power icon at the top right corner of the screen. You have successfully accessed your Pure Mail via webmail.